horsetail plant. How beautiful it is. Good for making tea and good for all kinds of health conditions. It's really beautiful. All the wild horsetails. I'll pick some for my tea. And here we can see the beautiful blossoming lilac bushes all along the trail. Isn't that just beautiful? That's just beautiful. And there's more lilac bushes just up ahead. All along this beautiful riverfront trail where once the ships used to ply, the paddle wheelers once used to be on this Fraser River, all the way from Fraser Canyon to Soda Creek down south. And, this beautiful river is quietly flowing by, but yet turbulent. Flows all the way from the Rocky Mountains. It's a beautiful river. Enjoy. Serenity.